Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm here to show you some things today from Fansells. You know, fantastic Fansells finds. Yes, and I have some great stuff. You guys, the special drill stuff is killing it lately, just killing it. There is so much cute stuff out there, it's ridiculous. Okay, you can already see one. Let's get going with this. I got great stuff to show you. So every kit comes with a tool kit like this. Every painting has one of those. And look at her. Oh my goodness. There's a whole bunch of these. There's a whole series of these little fairy girls, you guys. They're all so cute. Look at her wings and her flowers. And she's adorable. And of course that hat. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't love to be sporting a hat like that, right? It's so cute. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. You're kind of far away. What is that? Is it a dandelion? It almost looks like a dandelion. I don't think it is though. Anyhow, she has 8 different drills, and it looks like maybe just 2 special drills, like number 7 and number 8. 8 is around on those petals or those leaves, and 7 kind of through there. I think that's it for specials. Everything else looks to be a rhinestone. But let's look at them. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm telling you guys, there's cute stuff out there. It is like, I'm wanting to have them all. I want them all. What am I going to do with all of them? I don't know. Okay, yep, I was right. Most of this is rhinestones. So we have a pink rhinestone, a green, a very pale yellow, a clear, another green, and a darker little yellowy gold. And then we have these pink pearls. That's number 7. And number 8 will be these guys. These pretty faceted marquees in green. Love it. And they're not really that's not the iridescent ones that are really pretty. But anyhow, okay, those are ready to go back in the bag. Might as well put them in the bag. Cute, isn't she? Wah, look at her little nose. Wah, wah. So cute. I just love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's another thing. There's a series of these where they have got these really beautiful backgrounds. I think there's 2 tigers. I'm going to see if I can pick up the other tiger somewhere. I believe there's a lion, there's hummingbirds, and butterflies, all with these really pretty rainbowy, colorful backgrounds. Love them. Look at that tiger, just laying there like, yes, I am powerful. I am beautiful, right? A lot of specials on this one, it looks like. I see 9, 10, 15. So if we start with 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see. There's 15 different drills here. Yeah, I think it starts at 9, and those are all special drills. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful though? Look at those flowers. And it's so colorful. I'll link all these below. Lots of times they will come up as a whole group, all of the paintings that are similar, and you just have to pick through. That's why sometimes I end up getting the same thing, because they've been in a grouping, and I may have thought I was getting, a different one that's slightly different, but I get the same one. It happens, folks. It happens. Okay, what do we have? Beautiful orange rhinestones, some pretty blue, a brown, a purple. That is just your regular black, like resin drills or acrylic drills. A pretty turquoise, a lemony yellow, a pretty pink. What else do we have? Oh, and the rest is the specials. So that was the rhinestone section. Now we're to the specials section. Gold balls. 2 bags of those green faceted marquee. There's some purple, pink teardrops, gold faceted marquee. Now see, you can tell the difference. These are iridescent. These reddish orange teardrops, those are iridescent. Those are picking up all the colors, where these are not. These do come in iridescent, but these are not iridescent. And then our orange teardrops, I call them the claws, Are they going to be the claws? Does he have claws? Nope, he does not even have claws. His claws are hidden underneath the flowers. So it'll be petals. Yep, We'll have petals. Okay, so there's the tiger. Love it. Love, love, love it. This one, oh my gosh. I know there's two of these guys. There are two. And I picked out the one I liked the best. Are you ready? Look at it. It's a cow. It's a little cow. Dale's daughter the other day was asking him, can you get a little cow and keep a little cow at your house? And we're like, no, we're really not set up for having little cows. But oh my goodness, it is so cute. I think the other one's sitting in a basket or something. But there's another one. Green flowers, everything. It's a little cow. Oh my goodness. Be still, my heart. It only has two special drills. It looks like A and B. The rest are rhinestones, but I just love the cow. Look at the little bow around its neck. We got green butterflies, green roses. I mean, what is not to love about that little cow? I want to squeeze it. I want to hug it, right? Okay, it's a diamond painting. I get it, but you know my thing with cows. I love the cows next door. Why wouldn't I love? I'm with her. I would take a little baby cow if we had the setup. I would. They're not babies. They're just little cows. They're small. Look at those greens. There's two different greens. It's a little darker. This one's a little more yellowy. Then there's a gold and a clear. And then, oh, there's three different specials. So we get the beautiful iridescent little snowflakies. Love those guys. This green is iridescent. Okay, the marquee. That one's iridescent. Picking up all the colors. And we have blue shards. Where did the blue shards go? Now oh, okay, right here. Around the bow. Oh, and there's a couple here. So then where do these guys go? What is number 5? A. Shards. Okay, what am I missing here, folks? What am I missing here? And C. C? Where's the C? I don't see a C. Do you see a C? Oh, I don't know. Is this one? Does this have the? I mean, the drills don't appear to be wrong. Oh, okay. Here we go. The bodies of the butterflies are those blue shards. I think that's it. I was nervous for a minute. I'm like, wait, I don't have any place for those drills. What are we talking about? Anyhow, the cow. Highland cow. I think that's what they are. Highland cows. Oh my goodness. Love it. Okay, this goes with the tiger set. This is from that same grouping with the beautiful, colorful backgrounds. Aren't they gorgeous? So there was a couple dragonflies. Of course, I picked the one that, I liked the best. And probably the one that I saw had the most special drills on it. That's another thing I look for when I pick some out. Beautiful, though. Look at all those colors in the background. It's just gorgeous. These are so pretty. 9 drills for this one. And it looks like 5 through 9 are special drills. Love that. Oh, my goodness. I will link them all below. Happy shopping, you guys. I'm serious. It's like there is so much, just so much to choose from. And it's like every time I go looking at a site, somebody has got something new. Like, it's crazy. They're just coming out left and right. All right. Pale, pale yellow rhinestone and a blue rhinestone. I can't keep up, It's impossible. A very pale pink rhinestone and then a darker pink. And here comes the specials. All right. Blue faceted marquee. Non-iridescent. Purple marquee. Blue faceted rounds, gold balls, and then these big mamba jambas right there. I bet they're going right here on these 9s to like make leaves. It's like a whole leaf. One of these makes an entire leaf. That's kind of cool. So beautiful. Just beautiful stuff, you guys. I'm telling you. Like, happy shopping, happy shopping. Okay, and then we got a box. I mean, fantastic things from Fansells comes in a box. Oh, I know what this is. Wait until you see this. Oh my goodness. Comes in the toolkit. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, there must be a Yep, there it is. My little stand is in there. Take off that film on both sides, the protective film. It's preventing scratches on the actual acrylic. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Don't laugh too loud, okay? I had to. I absolutely had to. It's a gnome with a rooster. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. Adorable. Look at that rooster, man. He is fancy. Look at that tail. Look at the tail. All special drills in the tail. Not all special drills, but he is something else, isn't he? He looks like he's a friendly rooster because Mr. Gnome is just sitting there holding him like, hey, what are we doing? You know, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh, I think it's just adorable. I had to get that one. I had to. You know, cows and chickens are pretty popular on the sites right now, you guys. If you're into cows, chickens, it's not all about butterflies and dragonflies anymore. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's see what we get. We get some clear rhinestones. Oh, those are beautiful. Oh, because, well, our rooster, that's our rooster's tail. I hope all of those are going to be, there's two different, there's a Y and an X. I hope they're all going to be teal like this because that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. There's an orange and a reddish orange and some light tan, light blue. Okay, here we go. We have iridescent, clear marquise. There's his tail. These are his tail. You know these are his tail. Then we have these blue. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have some iridescent round clear, iridescent round orange, and what in the tarnation is that? I've had these once before. Wow. Those are, wow. They've got like a black or dark metal looking back. Look at it. One looks purple, one looks green, one looks orange. These are all, wow. Okay, what is that? V. Where are these guys going to go? I have to know. I have to know. They're just going to be spotted around like here and here, here and here. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Wow, one there in the center of the flop. Wow. Okay, if I don't get to work on this soon, it's going with me to the retreat in May when I got time to do other things. I have to do this. I must do this little rooster gnome dude. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm telling you, right? What if you had to pick a favorite? If I asked you right now, pick one. You only get to pick one. What would you pick? Right? What would you pick? It's not an easy choice now, is it? Right? Not an easy choice. Let me zoom you out. What would you pick? I have no idea. I mean, him, or him. I don't know. It's so cute. Okay, that's what I have from Fansells today for you guys. I've been so excited to film this one because I knew what was in this package and that it was just, I mean, fantastic. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Go shop at Fansells. Check out the links below because I will have these linked below and they may take you to other things. Like those are in a category. There was more than him in his category. You know, just have fun. Check them out. And hit the like button, subscribe button, and all those things on your way out the door. Okay? Because, you know, we can use some likes and shares and love and comments and all those things. And seriously, which one would you do first? Which one could you not live without? That's my question. Which one would you have to have? Let me know. Okay? All right. I will see you guys soon. I need to go clean all this stuff up now. All right. See you later. Bye.